Oh, I like me so much. And you look mighty fun. Oh, my daddy gonna have so much fun with you. My brother's a little bit.
You're gonna see Daddy.
You see my beastie.
You're gonna see Daddy. Take me to see Daddy with you.
What you doing here?
Come to see
Will you
Daddy.
take me to Daddy?
Just
Take me to Daddy.
my beastie, because my beastie don't fight unless you ask him to. Keep going.
To Daddy. He's gonna love you.
I hope you like
That electric little
Hi, it's me again in the daytime. So it's another time where the film didn't come out properly. So just to let you know, Doncaster Fear Factory was incredible. The atmosphere in that place. What they're using is an old woodland, but they've cleared paths all the way through. So there's lots of places for you to walk. It's really like hard standing. There were 3 mazes in there. We did the chasm first, which was this really well themed dark like mine maze. All the stories are connected by a fracking theme, but yeah, you went down in the mine and obviously there was gas had been leaked out and all the miners were going mad. Some really low points in there. As a tall person, it was really difficult for me to get through some of the spaces, and quite long crawl tunnels. The only thing we'd say about Chasm, it just sort of ended. We missed a final ending of that, but yeah, really enjoyed the maze. The attention to detail and on the walls and even the entrance and everything was absolutely superb. The next attraction we did was Eden. Now, Eden was probably more of a scare zone than a maze. It was a walk-through area of the woods. It was batch like a maze, and there were quite a few scare actors, and there was a story being told. But it was probably the weakest of the 3 attractions there, only because, as I say, we were generally walking around outside, but lots of old used caravans and well-lit woodland and stuff like that. It was the actors were engaging, they were great fun, but as I said, it wasn't the strongest of the 3 mazes there. And then the final one was Yana, full name will be there. Wow, we were absolutely blown away with how shockingly intense this maze was. The first half of it, there was lots of playful interaction with the actors. They were jumping out, they were making us do things. They're getting loads of great scares throughout the really nicely themed medical research facility. And then it basically finally descended into absolute chaos and a really loud strobe light maze. And it was a maze. There were dead ends. If you went down the wrong way, the actors would taunt you, have a real laugh and whatever. So we absolutely enjoyed that. It was chaotic. I mean, completely chaotic. In fact, so much so, one of the reasons we haven't got any film is because the woman who came out after us had a panic attack in there. And so the team were trying to sort her out. So we were trying to get out the way. So therefore we didn't get any filming done at the time. But yeah, absolutely chaotic, really good fun, and we loved it. So for a brand new event, we can't praise the guys at Doncaster Fear Factory enough for a first event, at our first big event, and it's actually yeah, we reckon this one could run for a while. So with that, we're going to sign off and we'll see you at the next event.